the Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha is Torbay Amateur Radio Society, and we're working a station for SOS Radio Week at Brixham Lifeboat Station, QSL. '73s, thank you. You're also 5 and 9, by the way. All the best. November Juliet Alpha.
CQD-X, outside Europe, over.
Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha, QSL.
Did you hear I said outside Europe, my friend?
Yeah, we are a special event station and thought you may like us in the log.
Yes?
We are a special event station and thought you may like us in the log, but if not, then fair enough.
There's two stations talking to me. Listen, guys, when somebody calls a CJ...
Yeah, so what we've done here, Paul, is because we're portable by the sea, we've put a black wire there. It's got a crocodile clip onto the chassis because the antenna is a dual mount on the roof, and we've just run it straight into the water. So it's going straight out into salt water to give us a natural sort of ground plane across the water. So that makes not only the ground plane of the camper van, but also we've got the water as well. So the antenna is a slide winder coil with a 10-foot military whip, and that's on a Serio drill mount on the roof. So we're using the camper van as the ground plane, plus the lead that I've just showed you going out into the sea as extra. So basically on the slide winder coil with the military whip, that's on 20 metres. That bottom line there is for 40. So if I move that down like that to there, that's now tuned for 40 metres.
Hello, Tango Charlie Foxtrot, receiving over?
Yeah, Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha, SOS Week at Brixham Lifeboat. Good morning, you're 5 and 9.
Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha from Mike Zillow, Tango Charlie Foxtrot. Many thanks, Eddie. How's it going down there at Brixham? What's the weather like, over?
Yeah, the weather's not too good. We've had a few showers, and the bands are abysmal at the moment with the solar flares, but we are trying to make the most of it. So we thought we'd do a little bit of VHF while we're waiting for the HF bands to pick up there. Back to you.
Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha from M0TCF. All understood there, Eddie. No problem at all. What frequency or frequencies are you planning to use on HF, over?
Yeah, on HF at the moment, we are monitoring on 20 metres because 40 is totally dead. 20 metres is not very good, but we're monitoring around there at the moment. Just on any signals that we see on the waterfall, really. But 40 metres, hopefully, we'll be able to work this afternoon. Back to you.
Mike Zero Tango Charlie Foxtrot returning Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha. Roger, okay, mate. Well, I'll hopefully have a listen out for you on HF. Could you tell me, have you made any contacts? Have you got anybody in the log at all this morning, over?
Yeah, we've got a few in the log. We've contacted Bulgaria and that sort of way. We've also got one into Switzerland, and on one of our club members, G3NKA, NKE, Nigel, has also called in this morning. Back to you.
TCF returning. Oh, good news. At least we got one or two of the club members, other than myself, listening out for you guys. So, all good. Well, hopefully I will make a contact with you on the log later on HF. If I do so, then that's all for the better. But as you say, band conditions at the moment have been pretty terrible, and they have been for the last couple of days, which I'm sure you know anyway. All right, Eddie. Well, we'll call it quits at that for now, and I'll catch you further down the logbook. TCF returning Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha for a final over.
Yeah, Golf X-Ray 3 November Juliet Alpha. Yeah, thanks for calling in, Lynn, and you're in the log, mate, and hopefully we'll get some more during the day. All the best, 73.
73's good luck. TCF now clear the frequency.
You know, as soon as it goes in there, you think, oh, it's going to start there. But you've got to use it if you can, innit? Like, make the most of it. Like,